The ultimate goal for your daily nutrition is a homogeneous, vibrant green fluid that pours with a heavy, consistent texture. To reach this result, we'll use green apple, avocado, cucumber, coconut water, and fresh lemon. No dairy and no processed syrups are required. While our objective is total hydration, the core of this formula is actually a dense, heavy lipid, the avocado. These avocado lipids actively envelop the electrolytes found in cucumber and coconut water, carrying them safely through the cell membrane. Plain water is rapidly flushed out, but when locked in this lipid matrix, the body maintains an elevated hydration level significantly longer. Following this exact combination ensures the hydrating fluid is actively retained and utilized by your cells. The process begins with the physical preparation of the raw produce. Manually dice the cucumber and green apple into small chunks. Reducing these into uniform pieces minimizes the mechanical stress on the blender's motor. It is essential to remove the apple core and seeds entirely. Leaving them in will compromise the texture and introduce unwanted bitterness. Next, scoop out the avocado. Keep the scoop clean against the skin to ensure you're utilizing all of the available healthy fats. Layer these dense, chopped solids at the very bottom of the blender. This specific loading order allows the blades to engage with the heaviest material immediately, ensuring an efficient breakdown. Now pour the coconut water and the fresh lemon juice over the solids. Fresh lemon juice is vital here. Its acidity stabilizes the mixture and prevents the avocado and apple from oxidizing. Secure the lid and start the blend, quickly moving the speed up to the maximum setting. If the mixture is too thick, the blades may begin spinning uselessly. This is cavitation. An air pocket forms, preventing upper layers from circulating. To fix this, stop the blender and add a small, measured splash of extra coconut water or filtered water. The added liquid reduces friction, collapsing the air pocket and restoring a smooth vortex that pulls everything toward the blades. Maintain high speed until the texture is completely smooth. This ensures the organic particles are small enough to be fully emulsified. Balancing the liquid content with the speed of the blades is the difference between a clumpy drink and a perfect, uniform fluid. Stop the blender for a moment to check the taste and the consistency. Need more vitamins and iron? Add spinach or kale. Need more sweetness? Add raw honey or agave. To lower the overall temperature and make it refreshing, add 4 or 5 ice cubes directly into the thick green mixture. Run the blender one last time to integrate these final additions. These simple adjustments allow you to change the flavor and nutrient profile to suit your specific needs. The formulation is complete. Pour the final mixture from the blender. A successful blend will be a bright, vibrant green with a creamy texture and no visible chunks. You've created a nutrient-dense, hydrating beverage using only whole food ingredients and healthy fats. Drink the mixture immediately while it is cold and keep track of your favorite ingredient ratios for next time.